Hey guys, it is C, and I'm back with Atlantic Knife doing the review of the Boker Magnum Alligator Toast. It's a very interesting name. Alright, let's open this sucker up and take a look at it. Comes with a nice tin to store it in. We like that. We'll bring the blade up to you. We'll do some specs real quick. Overall length is 7.5 inches. The blade length is 3.25. It is a 440A drop point blade. Stonewash to avoid showing scratches. This one has a hollow grind. That's not a common grind for Boker. Has a plain blade edge. The handle length is 4 1/4. It has a fancy name is polymer, so we'll say plastic handle with a alligator style scales. The frame is stainless steel. It weighs in just a teeny bit under 4 ounces. It's a right-handed tip-down carry, manual flipper, frame lock, and we will show you exactly how this thing works. It's an easy one-hand operation. It's got a nice little flipper tab, as everyone can see there clearly. Pops right open. Easy to close. Easy to open. Nice little knife. We'll show you now how it cuts. This knife hasn't been given a price yet. We'll put on our site as of today. I'm sure it'll be up there tomorrow. But looks like it'll be about my guess is around a $35, $34 knife. You can see it cuts paracord very easily. We'll use a little bit of this corded jute. It just cuts right through it. You don't even really have to give much effort. Bring some cardboard up here. My cardboard's a little damp, but hey, what the heck. It's actually a lot damp. But it cuts through it pretty easily. You can see that. That's where the jimping comes in handy there. You can really get down on that knife. Now I think the jimping works better in this position, like when you're cutting the cord, than it does in this position. Now I have large hands. I mean, I told you this knife was 7.5, and you can see that it fits in my hand. So my finger is more up here when I'm on it. But, you know, for a nice little knife, this knife actually reminds me of a couple of Kershaws, very similar to the RJ Tactical. And another knife, which I can't remember the name of, but I know it's called the 3490. Very similar, like a scrambler, very similar to that. This is a nice addition to Boker's lineup because they already do a nice pocket knife and fixed blade knives. Nice Boker fixed blades in Arbolito series and some of those. But this is a very nice little flipper, very versatile. I don't know if I mentioned or not that the pocket clip was stainless steel, and it was a deep carry, as you can tell here. So it'll be tipped down. And that'll be the review of the Boker Alligator Toast. If you're watching on IGTV, make sure you like the post and follow @Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell, subscribe. We do weekly shows, 5-minute reviews. We do quick 1-minute reviews. Pretty much every week. And on that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.